Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be going through Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics paper 4. This is specimen paper for 2025 series, specimen paper B. So there are two sets on the website. One is the specimen paper, another one specimen set B. So this is the specimen paper set B. You can check on the playlist. I have uploaded other papers also. Just go through that. They are very helpful because they are according to the new rules and regulations that you are going to have from 2025. So must go through all those videos, and there are major changes that you will notice while doing these questions. Regarding the questions also, the format has been little bit changed than previous, and one change here, you will have these formula sheet on the first page. That will be really helpful. So if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comment section. So let's start. First question that we have over here is find the reciprocal of 0.35. So first of all, I will convert this 0.35 into fraction, which is 35 over 100, right? So we can simplify this. 5 times 7, 5 times 2. So this is 7 over 20. So what will be the reciprocal? So reciprocal is going to be 20 over 7. So we just need to swap the numerator and denominator. So 20 over 7 is the final answer. Now calculate 4 squared minus 1.9, 3.2 minus 2.6. This is just 1 mark question. So plug in all the values in the calculator. You will get here 23.5. Then number 3, Naveen and Esther share some money in ratio. Naveen to Esther is 5 to 5 ratio 7. Find Naveen's share as percentage. This is Naveen's share as percentage of total money. So total money is like Naveen and this, when you take the total is going to be out of 5 plus 7, which is 12. So we are looking for Naveen's share. So Naveen's share is here 5 out of 12. So Naveen's share is 5 out of 12, and times we are looking as a percentage. So times 100, that will give us the percentage. So once you calculate, this is 41.66, which is approximately 41.72, 3 significant figures, right? Now find Esther's share as percentage of Naveen's. Now we are looking for Esther's share as percentage of Naveen's share. So Esther's share, if you see, Esther is like this second one is 7. So 7 out of, not now 12, he said out of what is Naveen's share? Naveen's share here is 5. So 7 over 5 times 100. So 5 times 2, 10. So this is 7 times 20, which is 140%, right? Now part C, Naveen's share is 160. Work out Esther's share. So now we don't know what is the total amount of money here. So they said some money we can take it as X. So let's say let the total money that they share, let the total money is equal to X. Then share of Esther. Esther is having share of sorry, first of all we will take out Naveen. Naveen's share is, so let me write down here, we are going up and down again and again, and Esther, we have this 5 ratio 7, right? So it's 5 ratio 7. So Naveen's share we are given here now 160. So Naveen's share is 5, right? 5 out of 12 times X. Out of X, the total, he has 160, right? So from here we can find out the value of X. 160 times 12 over 5, right? So 5 times 3, 5 times 2, 32 times 4, this is 384. So this is the total money, right? So remaining is the Esther's share. So, Esther's share is 384 minus 160, which comes out to be $224, right. Now, number 4, simplify. So, we have an expression here. So, we will combine the like terms, as you can see 5x square and minus x square, that is 4x squared. Then we have x and x here, 7 minus 7 plus 6, this is going to be negative x. 7 minus 6 is 1 and 7 is greater and it possesses negative sign. So, there will be a negative. So, you can see there is a x common here. So, we can take that out, 4x minus 1. So, it is x into 4x minus 1, right. Now, part B, 4x over 3y divided by 2a times divided by 2a over 9y. So, I am going to change this division to multiplication sign, then we will take the reciprocal, meaning we are going to swap numerator and denominator, right. So, now we can simplify, as you can see y and y is gone. So, we have here 3 times 3, it is 9. So, then this is 2 times 2 is 4. So, we are left with 3 times 2 6 in the numerator and denominator we have a. So, final answer is 6 over a. Now, solve this equation. So, first of all I will expand, this 5 will be multiplied to both, 5 times 3 15 minus then 5 times 2 is 10, x equals to 17. So, 15 minus 17 bringing on left hand side, 10x goes on right hand side here, which will become positive. So, this is negative 2 equals to 10. So, divide by 10 and divide by 10. So, we have x is equal to minus 1 over 5. So, value of x is minus 1 over 5, right. Question number 6, we have a diagram here. The diagram shows a trapezium ABEF. You see this is ABEF here, joined to a square. This is BCDE is a square, ABC is a straight line, this is a straight line here, and AB is 7 and AF ratio BE, this AF and BE ratio is 3 to 2, the area of square is 32, calculate the area of the prism. So, this area of the square is 32 centimeter square. As we know that area of square is side times side. So, it is 32. So, L is going to be square root of 32 and when I calculated this one, this is 5.65 centimeters, right. So, this is the value of L, that meaning one side. So, one side we have here 5.65 of this square. So, if this is 5.65, this is also going to be 5.65 because this is a square. Now, we are looking for the area of the trapezium. For area of the trapezium, we know the formula of area of trapezium is half A plus B, where A and B are the parallel sides, and the height. So, height here is going, this and this is going to be parallel, these two sides are parallel and then this becomes the height. So, we got this side, but we do not have this side, but we are given the ratio here. So, to find out this side here, we have this ratio AF over BE is equal to 3 over 2. This is what we are given here. So, AF we got it, AF we are looking for, AF and BE we just got it, this one here 5.65, right. So, I am going to put here 5.65 equals to 3 over 2 and then AF is 3 over 2 times 5.65, which is equal to 8.475. So, I am taking it 8.48 here centimeters, right. So, now we can find out the area of the trapezium, which is half, and A is AF, which is 8.48 plus B is 5.65 times height is going to be 7. So, when you calculate this, just plug in all the values, this is 49.45 and to 3 significant figures it is 49.5. centimeter squared. This is the area of the trapezium, 49.5. Now, number 6, write 0.0473 in standard form. So, standard form is like when we have number n times 10 raised to power n, where this capital N lies between 0 to 9, right? It should be between 0 to 9. So, here our this first number is like 0. So, we are going to convert this into 2 decimal places, we are going towards right hand side. So, this will be 4.73 into 10 raised to power. As we moved behind, so there will be negative 2, 4.73 times 10 raised to power minus 2. Now, you can see this n here is 4, which is between 0 and 9, right. Now, number 7, Talia invests $1,500 in a saving account for 4 years, which is time here. The account pays simple interest at rate of this per year. So, this is the rate of interest. Calculate the interest that she receives at the end of 4 years. So, this is the time. So, we are looking for simple interest. Total interest is, we have the formula PRT over 100. So, principal here is 1,500 and rate of interest it is 6 times 2, 12 plus 1, 13 over 6. So, 13 over 6, 6 will come over here, and time t is 4 year over 100, right. This 100, 2 zeros are gone. So, when you calculate this one, it is 130. So, total interest, simple interest is 130. Now, part B, Kellen invests $1,500 in different saving account. So, there is a different saving account. The account pays compound interest. Now, it's compound interest at R% per year. At the end of 5 years, the value of investment is this. So, this is the value of investment, and we know the volume formula of value of investment is V into P 1 plus R over 100 power n, which is number of years, right. So, value of investment is given 1,825 and principal is 1,500. So, 1 plus R, we do not know R, power n, n is number of years. So, number of years is 5, right. So, now when you do this one, so this is 1,825 over 1,500 equals to 1 plus R over 100 power 5, right. So, when you bring this fifth root of this on the left hand side, so right hand side that 5 is gone. So, 1 plus R over 100, right. So, we have to calculate the fifth root of this. This comes out to be 1.0401, the fifth root of this, and this is 1 minus 1 plus R over 100. So, from here we will have R over 100 is 1.401 minus 1. This is just now the calculations. So, this is 0.0401, which is R times 100. So, then this is 4.01. So, approximately this is 4%, right. Now, 8a, on map the distance between two cities is 7.3. The actual distance between two cities is 365. On the scale on map is 1:2 ratio. The scale, so we are going to use the scale. Scale we have 1 to n. So, this one is actual and this one is on map, right. So, distance we are given 7.3 centimeter on map, right. This is in centimeters and this actual distance is given kilometer. So, we will convert this into centimeter. So, as you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, then 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, we are going to multiply here first of all from kilometer to meter 1000, then kilometer to meter to centimeter is 100. So there will be 5 extra zeros here. So this is 3, 6, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So now find the value of n. N is what we are given. This is this we are looking for 1, and then what will be this one here. So this is going to be, we are just dividing it by 7.3. So this side also we are going to divide by 7.3. So when you calculate this, this is 5, 1, 2, 3, like this. So this is the value of n. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? 5 millions. Now part B, the diagram shows the position of A, B, C. You see here A, B and C, the towns joined by a straight road. The bearing of A from B is 70, of A from B. So whenever you are given the bearing, you just circle this one from where? B. So that means we are going to go on point B. So this is point B. From B to A, this is the line of A. You see, this is the line of A. So here this bearing is 0, 7, 0. Remember that we always write the bearing as 3 digits, right? So find the bearing of B from A. Now we are looking from A. So I will go at point A. So this is point A. So that means A starting from here going until B. B is here. So we are looking for actually this angle. So if you see here this angle, so this is 70 degree and this angle is going to be 180 minus 70, which is 110. So this will be 110. Why is this? Because this north and north lines, they are like parallel lines like this, right? They are parallel. So these are co-interior angles, and sum of co-interior angles, if this is x and this is y, then they are equals to, sum of them is 180. So we will subtract from 180 this angle, we got this 110. Now we are looking for actually this angle. This angle is going to be 360 minus 110, which comes out to be 250 degrees, right? So bearing of B from A is 250 degrees. Okay. Now the bearing of C from A, now again from, so circle this part, from A is 195. So I am going on A 195. Bearing of C from A. So from here to here, let me just change the color so that you can see it clearly. Okay. So now we are talking about from A. A is there, from A to C. C is this one here up to here. So this angle is 195, right? This is given to us 195, and angle BCA is 113. BCA, this is 113, and then find the bearing of C from B. Bearing of C from B. So this is point B, starting from this north line to here. We are looking for this angle. So now you see, to find out this angle, we have this angle is 70, and we can find out this angle at B, the smaller one, then we will add that, right? So now if this is 195, you see now here 195 plus 110. So this is, let me write it down, 195 plus 110, this comes out to be 5, 10, 305. Then we subtract it from 360. 360 minus 305, this is 55. Okay. So this is now 55. So which angle? This angle is 55 here. Now if you see at this triangle ABC, we got 2 angles, then we can find out this easily. The third one, 56 plus 113. So in triangle ABC, angle 113 plus 55 plus this angle, let us say this is x, plus x is equal to 180. So from here x is 180 minus 168, which gives us 12. So this is the 12. So now bearing of C from B is going to be sorry, this is 70 and we got this as 12. So 70 plus 12, 82. 82 is the bearing, right? Okay, now let's move to next question. Number 9, P is the point 4, 10 and Q is the point negative 8, 5. These are the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the midpoint. So midpoint is just the middle value. So midpoint is going to be 4 plus negative 8 over 2. The other one is 10 plus 5 over 2. So this is minus 4 over 2. This is 15 over 2. So it's negative 2 and 7.5. Negative 2 and 7.5, right? Now number 10, the test scores of 13 people are recorded. So here is the test score. Find the median. So we are looking for the median. So there are two ways to find out median. Either you cross out the numbers from here in the middle and then you are going to be like find out the middle value here. So they are 13. So 13 of half, other value is 13 over 2, that is if it is a odd number, then you add 1, 13 over 13 plus 1 over 2, that is the seventh value. So seventh value is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So seventh value is 34. So 34 is the median. Or the other way was like you just cross out first number from here, then last, second and second last, third and then third last, fourth, fourth last, fifth, fifth last, sixth last, and then the middle number whatever is left, that is the median, right? Now the interquartile range. Interquartile range is upper quartile minus the lower quartile. Upper quartile is Q3 and lower quartile is Q1. So now the formula to find out upper quartile, which is Q3, is 3 over 4 n plus 1th value, actually not this number, the value. So 3 over 4, n is 13 plus 1, which is 14, 3 times 14 over 4. So which is 42 over 4, that comes out to be 10.5. So that means we need a 10th and 11th value. So because it's 10.5, so we are looking the mean of 10th and 11th value. So 10th value, 10th plus 11th value over 2, right? So this value, 10th value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th value and 11th value is 40 plus 42 over 2, which is 41, right? So this is Q3. This is the value of Q3. Now we are looking for Q1. Q1 is 1/4 of n plus 1th value, right? 1/4 of 13 plus 1, which is 14 over 4, that is 7 over 2, 7 over 3.5. 3.5 again, we will have the value of third value, third plus fourth over 2. Third value is 1, 2, 3, 23 and 24. So this is 23 plus 24 over 2, and this is 47 over 2, which is 23.5, right? So now what will be the interquartile range? Interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is, sorry, this is 1. Q3 here is 41 minus 23.5, which is 17.5. So 17.5 is the answer. Now question question 11, line L has equation 6x minus 1. Find the equation of the line parallel to line L that passes through point 0,3. So we are looking for the value that is 0 point that line passes through 0,3. So when the lines are parallel, then the gradient is equal. Gradients of parallel lines are equal. So gradient here m1 is 6, so m2 is also going to be 6. So equation of the line is y equals to mx plus c, which is 6x plus c, and this line now passes through 0, 3. So y is 3, x is 0 plus c. So that means c is equal to 3. So equation of the line is y equals to 6x plus 3. Okay. Now write down the gradient of the line perpendicular to this. When lines are perpendicular, we have the formula m1 times m2 is minus 1. So m1 is 6 and m2 is going to be minus 1. Then m2 is negative 1 over 6. Very easy question, just 1 marks question, 1 over 6. Okay. Now number 12, find the integer value of x that satisfy the inequality. Now this inequality will be divided into two parts here. So this is negative 1 less than or equals to 4 minus 2x. The other part is 4 minus 2x is less than 8, right? So here when we calculate, I mean shift 4 on the side, because 4 is gone on other side, so I'm not writing here. So it is negative 2x. This is minus 5 less than 2 minus x. Now you see we have negative sign on both sides, so that means we have to multiply by negative. So when we make negative, then this sign is going to change. This will become now greater than or equals to 2x. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So we have x is less than or equals to 2.5, which is 5 over 2 here less than this. So here 4 minus 8 less than 2x is on other side, 8 is this side, negative 4 less than 2x, divide by 2, divide by 2. Now we have divided by positive number, so there is no change, so less than this. So that means x is greater than negative 2. So we are looking for the integers value. So if this is a number line, so this is 0 and this is 2.5 here, and x is greater than negative 2. This is negative 1, negative 2, greater than. You see there is no negative sign, so we will not take this value. We will start taking from here negative 1, 0, then there will be 1, 2, then 2.5. So we are also not taking this because we are taking integer, so we can't take the decimal. So we have the values negative 1, 0, 1 and 2 only. Okay. Now number 13, here is a question from circles. A, B, C, D, E are points on a circle. F, G is a tangent to the circle E. Angle EAC. Okay, let me go slowly. A, B, C, D, E are points on the circle. F, G is a tangent. This is F, G here on the tangent. Find angle EAC. EAC. We are looking for this angle, right? EAC. So we have this angle is 57 here given to us, and if we can find out this angle that I am showing here, then we will be able to add this and find the angle. Now looking at this angle, if I take here, let me just take something here. So if I see here this angle is in this arc, you see this arc, this angle is 14, and in the same arc is the angle that I am looking for. So this angle is 14. If this is 14 here, So that means this angle is also 14 because they are in the same segment. Okay. So then EAC is going to be 57 plus 14, that is 71. So this is 71 degree. EAC is 71 degree. Now part B, angle ADC. Find angle ADC. Where is ADC? ADC is this angle. ADC, we are looking for this angle ADC. So now if we take this triangle ADC, so this angle is required, and we have 34 angle given. Okay, so remember that alternate segment theorem. If we have this diagram like this, so we are given this angle, this is 34, so this is also going to be 34. So that means this angle here is 34. Okay, so now this is the angle of this triangle ADC. So in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, 57 plus 34 degrees plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degree. So this comes out to be wait a minute, 57 plus, okay, sorry, here it is this angle, wait, this angle is not 34 here. So angle, this one is 34, wait, sorry, up to this only, this is 34. Okay, so then we have to find out this total angle. This total angle is 34 plus 14. Now it's correct. So this is 34. Let me rewrite. In triangle ADC, we are going to take these angles which are given to us. So it was 57, then we had 34 plus 14 plus angle ADC. ADC is 180 degrees. So angle ADC is 180 minus 105. So this is 75. So angle is 75 degrees. Okay. Now part C, angle ABC. Now we are looking for angle ABC, this angle here. Okay, so now we have already found this angle ADC. ADC was 75. Let me write down here 75. So now this angle ABC and angle ADC, the ones that I have ticked here, they are like supplementary because they are opposite angles of quadrilateral ABCD, which is inside the circle. So sum of these angles is 180. So 180 minus 75 will give us the value 180 minus 75, which is 105. So angle ABC is 105. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you understood everything. I will wait for your comments in the comment section about the feedback. Be blessed, guys. See you in the next video. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.